Hello viewers, in this session we're going to learn about how to validate an semi-structured MS Excel file with some predefined schema. And this is the file which we're going to use, and it's having some headers in the name of int, string, boolean, date, time, table, float with corresponding values. Let's create a simple Java program. Since Spark doesn't have a inbuilt function to handle the Excel file, so we need to use an external library which is available in the Maven repo, and this is the one. And I'm using Gradle as a builder tool, so I have defined in the build.gradle. Fine. Let's create a simple Java class, validate data, and to create a simple main method. Going to create a Spark session. Not build not I have my master validated. Also target create. I need to load the file into Spark session. To get the file path. So define the file get path. Full dot full dot. We need to define the file path. The format task we have to define this package name. Excel to define the header, and we need to define the sheet name, which sheet we going to handle. So this is the syntax. Inside the single quote, number 3 exclamation point. The option name called data address. Let's see, before using the schema, what is the data schema, and we need to assign it to some data set. Data set dot print schema data set show values. So let's run the program. So we pressing next one, I pick hold up. Started compiling. Let's see. Started printing the schema. So it's printed all the values. Let copy paste in the notepad just to validate what is the value before and after the schema added. Also we had the schema, what it is called. How it is like before adding the schema. So everything it is in string. So we could able to see all the values. Fine. Let's create a schema. To type, connect as a root. To the constructor, and to define the structure field. We have to use the structure field inside it. First, we have to define the field name, I mean the column name. And then what is the data types? And the first one is integer, right? Integer. And the next one is boolean. It's a nullable or not. You make it as a false, which means it's a commandatory one. And the meta type is empty. And colon. Let's see how many fields it have. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Oh, the first is integer. And the other one is string and boolean. Date and the time. Then double underscore. And add a comma. We have added the comma. Right. We need to add it here. Option. We have to define the info schema as a true. And this is and we have to define the schema as a that is root. Let's run the program. Started with this. Before schema. Schema. It got this. Let's copy the values. Okay, so that we can easily identify. Let's compare the data and the schema after and before enforcing the schema. Let's see. So the first column is integer column, and but the first field is string, and so it's not accepting that in this string field, right? So it's returning the default value as a 0, and the second column it's accept only the string, but we have entered the number. It's 32. So here it's 32 is assumed as a string, and then third is boolean, and fourth and fifth date and time. So it's coming as some different values in both the date and timestamp, but after I mean the enforcing the schema, it exactly same, and in double and float approximately same, and in a double you see that there is a precision change. So it's end with it 2326, but it's end with 4574. And then next, and the field is number 2. The number second row is not coming because of the it accepts only the boolean, I mean the true or false, but we have entered the number 10, so it's not accepting, so it's a invalid data, so it's not coming in the after enforcing the schema. And 3 4, so in a date we have entered 11, so but here it shows some invalid date, you can see. And same for the fourth row here. And the the row number 5, it's not coming due to this column will accept only the timestamp, but we have entered the string, so it's not coming in the after enforcing the schema. And row number 6, the double values, we have entered the whole number, I mean the 7, but is coming with a floating value. And so before you have and after implementation exactly same in the data, so nothing different. So let's see the schema. So before implementation we could see everything as a string value with a nullable true, and after we could see that in the integer fields are integer, string or string, boolean, date type is date, timestamp is timestamp, double is double, float is float. So exactly same what we have implemented. So that's all about the validating data with the help of info schema and with some custom schema. So if you have doubt or clarification or any suggestion, please share in the comment section. Thanks for watching.